नमस्काराः। केन्द्रीयविद्यालयः वायुसेनास्थलम् आवडी चेन्नैसम्भागः कक्षा 10 विषयः संस्कृतम्। मित्राणि छात्राः, इदानीं किञ्चित् व्याकरणं पठामः। लेट अस रीड सम ग्रामर। संधिः। संधिः नाम किं? संधि मीन्स व्हाट? पदद्वयोः मेलनाय अक्षरद्वयोः मेलने यावत् परिवर्तनं जायते तत् संधिः भवति। पूर्वपदम् उत्तरपदम्। पदद्वयस्य मेलनाय पूर्वपदस्य अन्तिमः वर्णः, उत्तरपदस्य प्रथमः वर्णः, अक्षरद्वयं वर्णद्वयं, तत्र मेलने किञ्चित् परिवर्तनं जायते। तत् परिवर्तनम् अर्थात् विकारः, तत् संधिः भवति। In order to join two words where combination of two letters gets a change, that is called sandhi. To join two words we have to join two letters, that is the last letter of the first word and the first letter of the immediately following word. When those two letters are joined together, they together get a change. That change is called sandhi. विसर्ग संधिः। विकारः उत्वम। The first change of visarga is u and finally it becomes o. Vikarah r, the visarga gets changed as r. Vikarah sh, the visarga gets changed as sh. Vikarah sh, the visarga gets changed as sh. Vikarah sa, the visarga gets changed as sa. Visarga disappears. The 3, 4, 5, 6 we are going to do in this part 3. Visarga sandhihi. Purvapadam purvavarnah, uttarapadam uttaravarnah. Purvapadam purvavarnah, that is the first letter for the sandhi, last letter of the first word. Sarve achvarnaha, following letter vyanjanani. Sarve achvarnaha, all the vowels it can be. Then comes the visarga, and following of the visarga should be either sha, cha or cha, only these four letters. When they are following, visarga becomes sha. Udaharanam pasyamaha. Balaka, aha balakaha. Cha follows, so visarga becomes sha. Balaka sha cha balakascha. Visarga sandhihi. Sha, purvapadam purvavarnah, uttarapadam uttaravarnah. Sarve achvarnaha purvapadam, vyanjanani uttarapadam. Sarve achvarnaha, all the vowels. Then come visarga, and here it should be followed by sh, t and t, not any other consonant, only these three consonants can follow. Then the visarga becomes sha. Udaharanam pasyamaha. Balaka balakaha. Shashtah, sha is following, so visarga becomes sha. So balakash shashtah. अत्र एकं विशेषणम् अस्ति, पश्यामः। विसर्गात् पूर्वं e, v, only these two letters, not any all vowels, only e and v follows. And visarga, if the visarga is followed by k, k, p, f, only these four letters follow, then the visarga should be preceded by only e and v. Then also the visarga becomes sha. उदाहरणम पश्यामः। नी, विसर्ग, विसर्ग के पहले ई, then followed by pha, phalam, visarga becomes sha, so nishphalam. Visarga sandhi sa, पूर्वपदम पूर्ववर्णः उत्तरपदम उत्तरवर्णः पूर्वपदे सर्वे अच्वर्णाः उत्तरपदे व्यञ्जनानि सर्वे अच्वर्णाः are to au, all the vowels, and visarga is followed by sa, ta, tha. To get the visarga changing as sa, only these three letters can follow, not all the consonants. Udaharanam pasyamaha. Sarvai visarga saha, sarvai ending with I, so preceded by I for the visarga, then it is followed by sa, so visarga becomes sa. Sarvais saha, sarvais saha. अत्र एकं विशेषणमस्ति, नमः इति पदं, पुरः इति अव्ययं. When nama pura comes, if the visarga is followed by ka, kha, pa, pha, only these four letters can follow, and the visarga is preceded by nama and pura, then visarga becomes sa. So udaharanam pasyamaha. Namaha, namaha. Karaha, karaha is starting with ka, so visarga is followed by ka. Now visarga becomes sa. Namaskaraha, namaskaraha. Evameva pura visarga karaha, visarga becomes sa. Puraskaraha, puraskaraha. Kanichit udaharanani pashyamaha. Prishtaha plus cha, prishtascha, visarga followed by cha becomes sha. Lataha cha followed by cha becomes sha. Duhu karma, dushkarma. Danuhu tankaraha, danushtankaraha. Balaha tam, balastam. Kakaha taya, kakastaya. Bahihi kritaha, bahishkritaha, because visarga is preceded by e and followed by ka, so it becomes sha. Bahishkritaha. Puraha kriyate, puraskriyate. Idanim visarga sandhi lopaha, visargasya lopaha. Purvapadam purvavarnaha, uttarapadam uttaravarnaha. Pratamaha niyamaha, lope, visarga lope pratamaha niyamaha. Saha visarga. Saha, word saha can be followed by a word which is starting with any vowel except a. The word starting with a should not follow. Other than that, any vowel can follow and any vyanjan can follow. So saha is followed by a word starting with any vowel or any vyanjan. Then visarga disappears. In the same manner, yeshaha word is there, that is also followed by any word which is not starting with a, or it can start with any vowel or any consonant, then also visarga disappears. Udaharanam pasyamaha. Sa, ha, saha followed by yeti. A is a vowel other than a, so visarga disappears. Now it is sa yeti. Yesha, yeshaha. Chalati, visarga is followed by other than a vowel and it is a consonant. Cha is a consonant, so visarga disappears. Yesha chalati. Dvitiyaha niyamaha. A preceding visarga, and visarga can be followed by any vowel except a and no consonant. Only the vowel should follow. Visarga preceded by a, so the following should not be a. Other than the a, it can be any vowel, no consonant follows, then visarga disappears. Example, Arjuna, Arjunaha. Uvacha, visarga is followed by other than the a, so it visarga disappears, then It is Arjuna Uvacha. Visarga Sandhihi Lopaha Tritiyaha Niyamaha Purvavarnaha A Visargaha, and following can be any vowel, all vowel, even the A can also follow. Then following Mridu Vyanjanani soft consonant means third, fourth and fifth letters of all the 5 groups. Then Ya, Va, Ra, La, Ha, these letters are soft consonant, they can follow and all vowels can follow, but the visarga should be preceded only by A, no other letter. Then visarga disappears. We'll see an example. Chatra, Chatraha, Namanti. Visarga is preceded by Chatra, A, and followed by Na. Na is the 5th letter, soft consonant, so visarga disappears. Chatra, Namanti. Anyat udaharanam. Devaha Gachanti. Visarga preceded by A and followed by Ga. Ga is the 3rd letter, soft consonant, so visarga disappears. So Devaha Gachanti. Kanichit udaharanani pashyamaha. Balaha Ichchati, Bala Ichchati. Kriyaha Jayante, Kriya Jayante. Vrikshaha Lataha, Vrikshalataha. Saha Patati, Sapatati. Karunaha Vachaha, Karuna Vachaha. Students, for the homework purpose and practice purpose, some words are given here and you have to work out these, and please record these answers, question and the answers in your homework notebook. Priya Chatraha Mitrani, एतावत् पर्यन्तं विसर्गसन्धेः विविधप्रकारान् विविधविकारान् च पठितवन्तः. Dear students, so far we have learnt about the different changes of the visarga in these 3 videos, that means Bhag 1, Bhag 2 and Bhag 3. With this we finish the Visarga Sandhi practices. It's your Sanskrit teacher K. Raghunathan, KVFS Avadi, Chennai Sambagaha, and we'll meet again with another topic. Tab tak, Dhanyavadaha.